Hey there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out at Mercedes today. We're filming the 2025 Mercedes, the G-Wagon, the G550. This is the non-AMG version, and even though they look very similar, there's some sensors down below here. There's one in that lower center where we would mount it. Yeah, right there. So that's where the previous gen went for the 24 and down, but we're not going to be able to mount it there because of that sensor. So we have to mount it off to the side here. So we're going to go ahead and do the fitment and show you where it's going to go. And it will be a no drill still, but it just won't be in the center. So I'm going to turn it over to Mike and we'll get started here.
Okay, thanks Steve, and as Steve said, this is definitely still a no drill, and instead of being in the center, we're going to have to put it off to the side because of that camera that they got over there. So still real simple, straightforward. It's got one factory screw we're going to take out and reuse. It's a T27 Torx. So we're just going to spin it out and put it right back in. All right, so that's out. We're going to take the base plate. Now this is a little tricky. It's not too bad, but there's this is going to be a combination of 3M tape, as you can see here, and the factory screw. And this screw, it's a 1/4 inch. It's like pretty solid. And then the tape is just going to keep it from rotating. So you're going to take the alcohol pad we provide and clean this area right here. Then you're going to remove the film off of the 3M tape, and then you're going to go ahead and start it back on. Now it's going to pretty much follow the contour of this, and unlike the one if it was just 3M only, it will, once you stick it, it's on there. This it can be manipulated a little bit. I like to just keep it off of the car, start tightening it up a little bit until it's just still got a little bit of movement, and then I like to put the front on, and then you can either have someone help you or just look yourself. You want to just make sure that you're nice and square. It's going to follow. Yeah, it's not going to follow the contour around. It's going to follow it square this way. So. Yep, right there. So, yeah. So once you get it where you like it, then you just continue to snug it up. And if you want, you can take the front off until you get the thing tightened up. And again, this is a 6-point. That's pretty solid, as you can see. And you just take your front, start it in, get it past the pull pin, and just slide it until it clicks into place. And there you go. You're all done.
Okay, and as some maintenance, you want to make sure that you lubricate your pull pin from time to time. And then if you should take this vehicle through an automated car wash, make sure you remove this front plate there with your license plate, which will be on the front of that. You want to make sure you take that off. And here's the front view. Yeah, not our favorite. We like it in the center, but with that camera there, that's keeps us from mounting it there. So it's going to be off to the left there, and yeah, your license plate goes there, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.